So now we are here with Pam. Yes, as you see, we had a nice, lovely, short haircut. Now I'm going to show you how to style this hair very easy, very fast. Yeah. So I'm going to put just a little bit of spray in the hair, and then we're going to try to style it just with our hand. Yeah. Ready? Very nice. So after the dry, just put some kind of spray in the hair, easy and simple. Yes, very nice. Lovely. You're going to put some hair on top. So you're going to finish the hair. Very nice, easy hair, lovely. Easy and simple. So it's very nice, lovely. Yes, okay. And just do the last finishing touch. And beautiful and very nice, easy style. Lovely. It's very nice and beautiful fashion style, short and easy to wear. So you don't need to do that much and lovely style. Especially for the summertime. Easy and simple. Lovely style. Okay, now we're going to show you. You see, nice and lovely, very attractive hairstyle.
Oh yes, that's very nice.
Yes, see, lovely.
Different colours showing through.
Yes, yes. So you have to just look at the hair like make a movement inside. Yes. You see, lovely, very nice. Different colors, your own color match.
Yes, absolutely.
It's really nice and very attractive.
That is very nice indeed.
Yes.
It's a wee bit different, but nice. I like that.
Yes, something different 2016.
Yes.
So this is me, Pam. Yes, Pam, tell me, do you like the hairstyle?
I do like the hairstyle.
Now let me show just a little bit. This is the hairstyle we